Hey guys, so it's day number 18 drinking the Amare Happy Juice. Once again, I feel completely full of energy and motivation, and I really do mean that. Like right now, it is only 8 something in the morning and I'm up, I'm dressed, I have my makeup on, I have my shake. On days when my son's not here, I'm not usually up this early. But I'm trying to make a point of being up this early because my goal is to be up at 5 a.m. every day, work on a video between 5 and 6 or a couple of videos, and then do this video around 8 something as I'm drinking my shake because I take it at 8 o'clock in the morning. But once again, it is an absolutely beautiful day out. It's a little bit chilly yet, but it's still early in the morning. And again, this stuff is amazing. It really, truly does give you motivation and energy, and it makes you feel happier. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share my videos.